Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video in front-end development. In this video, we learn about CSS. So, what is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. And why we use CSS? We use CSS to design or style our HTML document. For CSS, I create a new file and save it inside a test folder. Inside test folder, I create a separate folder and name it CSS, and I save now file is try css.html and save it. And now I run my boilerplate code, and inside title I type try css, and I just camel casing this thing and save it. Inside body I type my h1 tag and type hello and save it. Now I open my browser to see how it's reflect, and you can see the hello is reflect here. Okay, and save it. To write CSS, we create another file and save it inside our CSS folder and name it style.css, and I just change my settings just right. Okay, inside CSS I type h1 curly braces and color equals to red and save this. Nothing happened just because we didn't link our CSS to our HTML file. For this I type link : CSS and tab key, and here you can see in under href we type style.css and save this. And here our code reflect and h1 tag reflect to red. This is the one kind of way you can write your CSS. Now we see our second way to write our CSS. For this I just comment this line. For this I type control and slash. After that I type style tag style angular bracket and tab. Inside our style tag I type h1 curly braces start, and inside curly braces I type color equals to green and save it. Okay, you can see our green color is reflected here. I just changed my setting. Okay, and here our green color h1 tag reflect to green. Now we see our third way to write CSS. For this I also comment this, and for third way we can type our CSS part inside h1 tag, and I type style equals to color and give it to odd sheet and save it and run our browser. And here you can see our h1 tag convert to the odd sheet color. In this way you can write your CSS in HTML document, but we always prefer the first way to link our CSS file. This is the best way to link your CSS. Okay, there is some problem in bracket. Now we see some website of CSS. At first we go to the random website, and I just refresh it. Okay, this is a HackerOne website, and this is a Bugbounty website especially, and I use a special extension called Disable HTML. You can just go to Google Chrome store and type Disable HTML. You can see here extension, and you can download it. Sorry. Okay, yes, this Disable HTML, just add it to Chrome and install it. Now we click the Disable HTML and turn off our CSS part. I always on our JavaScript part and refresh it. Now see how looks the website is. Here the unordered list sum. If we turn off the CSS any website, it look like this, only the HTML part. And if we turn on the CSS, it turns to like this, a very good thing. That's how CSS works. And I also suggest some website here. You can try the developer.mozilla. You can go here and type, click to CSS, and you can learn here CSS also here. And you can also go to the W3 school. It's a very good website, and here you also can learn the many of the CSS part. And one more website I suggest you to see some design or many things, the CSS Garden. This is a very good website. Here you can see some beautiful CSS design. Just click here, see how people design the CSS part. Okay, that's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.